Welcome to another episode of As Real As It Get.
Greetings, people. Yo, imagine being one of the hottest artists in a dancehall and then just like that you disappear for over 2 months. No interview, no music, no real updates. Then suddenly you pop back up, pop back out like nothing. What would y'all think if that was your favorite artist? Tell me. Yeah, we're gonna talk about Chronic Claw today, and we just want to say welcome back to the channel. If you're into real dancehall news and what's really going on behind the scenes, you already know you're in the right place. But before we even get into this, have you been keeping up with this situation, or you just hearing about it now? So I'm going to like a story. So boom. Here is what we know. No rumors, just facts. Chronic Law was officially released from ICE custody after being detained for over 2 months. Over 2 months. Does that sound normal to y'all? Comment and let me know. He was picked up back in January 2026 and was being held in a detention facility in Florida. But here's the part that everybody confused about, right? There was never a clear public explanation from ICE about why he was being held for that long. So let me ask one of this. If there was no clear reason, what do you think was really going on behind the scenes with Chronic Law? Because it left a lot of people confused, so no one know. Now, before all of this, he actually had a run in with the law in Georgia back in November 2025, where reports say reckless driving, speeding and attempting to elude police. But let's be real for a second. Those are traffic charges. Nothing violent, nothing major. So do you think that alone justifies someone being held or locked up for 2 months? And that's where things get interesting, because this doesn't really look like a criminal situation. It looked more like an immigration issue. And if you know, once ICE get involved, things are gonna get spooky and complicated faster. We're talking no clear timeline, possibly court dates, even deportation risk. So let me ask you, do you think artists coming to the US are being targeted more? Or is this just how the system works? Fast forward to now, Chronic Law is out. Fans are starting to notice when he posted God bless on Instagram, then he popped up on a live stream riding a car. And that's when everybody knew he's finally free, right? But here's the real question. Is he really free? Or is this situation not fully over yet? Because I'm sure there's still things going on behind the scenes that we don't know about. But as of right now, it's still unclear if this is an immigration case if this immigration case is completely resolved, and if he has to go back to court, or if deportation is still a possibility. So, what do y'all think happens next? Is he about to drop music and go crazy again, or do you think the situation might slow him down a little bit? I'm not gonna lie, this situation show you how fast things can change. 1 minute you're on top, and the next minute it passes you a second. But now that he's back, all eyes are on his next move. So what do you do if you were in Chronic Law position right now? I want to use up the comment section and tell me. I want to drop on the thoughts. Come here, read every single comment and let's have a conversation about it. But to be quite honest and quite frank with you know, if not so much that the US are target Jamaican artists or any artist of that nature, you have to understand there's rules there's laws. And there's laws that's not meant to be broken, and certain laws are meant to be broken. We are human, I wanna know we're perfect, but in the same sense, get a youth, from gonna start make certain amount of money, I wanna start live certain type of lifestyle, wanna need to put on certain things. Enough people right now want the blessing that wanna have and can't get it. Enough youth talented, whole heap of youth have talent, whole heap of youth have great skills and can't get the break, or can't get somebody to recognize them talent and give them a chance, and only get in and still are the stupidness. Wanna have the money and the stupidness, wanna broke on the stupidness, and people want the help can't get it. But like Jamaican old people say, want it, can't get it, and get it, don't want it. I've seen a lot of artists, not just Jamaican artists, make millions of dollars and end up make 1 5-minute decision will fuck up them life forever. Youths, on if you learn and understand life, when God bless you and go on a break and cherish it and always do the right thing. As this case update and we find out more information, we're definitely going to bring it to the forefront and let the people them know the update and what's going on with Chronic Law. Right now we're glad to him free and him can debunk some family, but just want him learn from a mistake here and do better moving forward. Once again, welcome to As You Guys It Gets. Big up on yourself, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and press the bell notification for further notification posts. Bless.
Oh, 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 oh. Welcome to another episode of As Real As It Get.